All right, so in this graph, we're looking at the national and the New York State average gas prices. The question is, if New York State's gas prices are modeled by g of x, and the variable c is greater than 0, which expression would best approximate the national average x months from August 2014? So the first important thing we need to figure out is which plot represents the New York State's gas prices. And we can see in the key that it is represented by the dots, not the stars. So that's this line here. Now, when we compare that to the national average, which is represented by the stars, you'll notice that comparatively, it's consistently the same amount less pretty much every month. So what you'd be doing is taking g of x, which is represented by that red line there, and basically subtracting the same constant each time, more or less. So algebraically, we would represent that using g of x minus the constant c. Another way to look at this problem is to remember that when you're taking a function like g of x and then you're subtracting a constant separately, that would represent a vertical shift. So going up or down. When you have a function like g of x and you subtract a constant inside the brackets, that represents a horizontal shift. So we can see graphically, in this case, that would not make any sense. So just another way of looking at the problem here. So yeah, hope that was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.